Anika, what color is that? How about that? What color is that?
Blue.
About that? What color is that? That. How about that? What color is that?
Oh no. Pink.
It's pink with
Red.
red. Very good.
Blue.
Oh, how about that? What color is that?
Red.
It's for Kuya. What color is that?
Blue.
It's for?
It's my mommy.
It's my mommy. It's for mommy. Very good. It's mine.
That's my mommy.
It's for mommy. Very good.
It's good.
What color is that? That.
Back. Right?
Who owned that? It's for
J.
Jay. That.
Juice.
Josh. It's for
Doors.
Josh. Who owned that?
Daddy.
For daddy.
Mine.
It's yours? It's for daddy. What's that? That.
My daddy.
It's my daddy. What's that? What color is that? What is that? That. Who owned that short? What color is that?